John Dvorak at Red Hat, and once again, you're in the catbird seat there. You're striped across various agencies. Give us an example of one you'd like to highlight where
Sure.
you all are doing some outstanding things.
Well, I'm gonna pull in a thread a little bit that John Elliott and Ramesh set up, which is disconnected environments. We've
Right.
been focusing a lot on what we call private or sovereign AI implementations. This is worldwide. This is not just in the U.S., but with our other public sector customers around the world. And these are scenarios where we're keeping the entire workflow within the agency's security boundary. So that's the training and aligning of the model, all the testing of the model, the deployment, the monitoring of the model, and all of the data exploitation that may occur. That's all happening within within that boundary. So all inference is also occurring in the boundary. So you're not asking a question and it's going out to some commercial provider and giving you a response. That's all done within the environment. And so with that, we're also able to do things like improving semantic search. So in some of these cases, we are taking your prompt that you have and adjusting that prompt to best utilize search and then go across a number of different search databases rather to bring back relevant information. Now, thinking about this from a sort of a civilian example, I was thinking one thing we're doing sort of healthcare, there's something called ambient dictation. And if any of you have been to the doctor recently, I was just last week and this was used. It's amazing. Instead of the doctor sitting there typing away as you're talking to them and giving them all your symptoms and things like that, they're listening to you, but they're recording the conversation. That conversation is then being converted into structured data. It's imported into your electronic health record, and then they go in and they modify that after the call. But they're listening to you. And the point of this is like, I wouldn't trust that if that information was leaving the environment. That whole environment, that listening to you, that translation process, that use of the model, and the conversion to internally to a data source is all kept within the environment. And so those are the types of things we're able to do within health settings, within intelligence settings. And that I think is you're going to see just many more of those types of implementations as the technology gets better and we're able to miniaturize all these capabilities within agencies.